It's Tuesday afternoon and the major stock averages are in the red. Earlier we saw the Dow off over triple digits, but we're seeing the major equity averages pair gains. So joining me right now is Alan Valdes of SilverBear Capital. Alan, great to have you here today.
Great to be here. Thanks for having me, Remy.
Well, it is a holiday shortened week and we finally get earnings coming out on Thursday. But for the time being, we have geopolitical tensions, and regarding what's happening down in D.C., we're getting some breaking headlines that President Trump could ease on Dodd-Frank rules. But there's still uncertainty. So what's your main focus right now?
Well, you're right. That just came across, and that would definitely rally the market. We haven't moved much the needle right now. I don't think many traders even seen it, although a lot of guys are out, as you can see, for the week. But basically, we're all watching the conflicts between Syria and North Korea. If anything's going to build up there, that's weighing on the market, really. It's all those unfortunate talks that are going on. Hopefully, good news comes out of Moscow. We're not sure what Tillerson's doing, but it's all wait and see. The market hates uncertainty. So we're off 95 points. Gold had a nice pop here today. Financials, which were doing good at the beginning of the year, are now almost flat or negative. So overall, it's taken a toll, these situations around the world.
And indeed, Alan, when we look at trading volume, we saw the lowest volume for 2017 in the previous session. And as we head closer to the Easter weekend holiday, I'm sure trading volume will also ease even more. But given that we've been seeing elevated oil prices, they are lower on the session, but they have managed to hold above $50. Where do you see oil going in the near term?
I think in the near term, oil is going to stay here in this range, between, say, 45 and 55. I mean, it's a $10 range, but for oil, that's in the range. I don't see it really popping much. Okay, we're coming to the summer. It is drive time, but last year we didn't see any pop in drive time. We actually saw a decrease in prices. We just have so much global supply. It's weighing on. No matter what the Saudis do, no matter what OPEC does, we're an exporter now. I mean, we have so much fracking going on. It can keep us in oil for the next 100 years probably. So I don't see the price of oil going up much because I don't know where the new buyers are going to come from.
And as we head closer to the weekend, many people will be traveling and going to different parts of the country. Now, in today's session, we saw transports get hit, but this does come as the major equity averages are lower. Now, we're seeing a United Airlines lower today, and that does come on their latest PR scandal, where a passenger was forcibly removed from an aircraft. But given what we've seen in transports, what's your near-term outlook?
Well, you're right. I don't think anyone's going to be flying United Airlines for a while. I mean, that was ridiculous. I never saw anything quite like it. But transports, again, we're coming into summer travel. I think you'll see a lot. I think the transports will do good during the summer months. They normally do, whether it's rail transport, air transports. You'll see them do pretty good. Remember, there's a lot of disposable money on the sideline. People will be taking vacations. So I think the transports are holding in here now. What worries me coming up in the fall is that trucking's such a huge part, and now you're seeing these stores closing, like Sears, Macy's closing a lot of stores all right across the board. So I think except for a couple like UPS and FedEx, you might see the trucking industry start to slow down a little, and that's a big part of transportation. So if they slow down, rail transport slow down. So it's going to be interesting to see how the brick and mortar stores affect going forward, as opposed to like Amazon and those things, what the true effect is on transports.
Well, it'll be interesting. Many of us will be on holiday for Good Friday, but we still get those retail sales numbers out on Friday, so maybe we'll take a look at those as well. So
Wall Street never sleeps.